So this was an air conditioner that we got for free because it didn't work. This was the problem with it. The condenser is completely clogged. Something as simple as just blowing all the dirt out of there with your garden hose is gonna fix this. Here, come around the other side. You don't bend the fins. You want them all as straight as possible. If you bend them, it's the same thing as it being plugged with dirt. Air needs to flow through there as good as it can. So don't use a pressure washer. Pressure washer will completely destroy this. How clean it is on the outside. Outside is not the problem. The dirt is right there. Now watch when I flush it out. The dirt on the inside is what we need to get rid of. Yeah, look at those big chunks coming off of there. Big chunks trying to come off of there. Yeah, that's why this wasn't blowing cold anymore. Completely plugged up with dirt on the inside that you can't even see. Well, no, because you'll damage the coil. And then it'll be worse than having it full of dirt. No, because it'll push it deeper into the coil. We're back flushing it right now. Yeah, it takes some time, but it makes it work like brand new.